Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a direct debit using the Lloyds Bank mobile banking app. First, open the Lloyds Bank app on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see a list of your bank accounts on the home screen. Tap on the account from which the direct debit payment is taken. Next, look for the three dots icon, which is usually shown as three small dots in the corner of the screen. This icon opens the account menu. Tap on the three dots or the menu button to continue. After the menu opens, you will see several options for managing your account. From this list, select the option called Direct Debits or Regular Payments. This section shows all the direct debits that are currently active for that account. Scroll through the list and find the direct debit you want to stop. Each item in the list will show the name of the company or service that collects the payment from your account. Once you locate the correct direct debit, tap on it to open the payment details. On this page, you will see more information about the payment and the option to remove it. Now, tap the Delete or Cancel option. The app will ask you to confirm that you want to cancel this direct debit. Review the information and confirm the cancellation. Thanks for watching.